Hello, managing the roster for a cleaning company is really easy using WorkRoster. I'll show you some examples now. Creating a new shift is as simple as clicking on the roster at the desired day and time, and then filling in the shift details. If the shift is with a regular client, you can assign their client record to the shift, and one or more cleaners can be assigned to the shift. A small cleaning company might have several cleaners and a few dozen clients. Even a small company can quickly grow to running hundreds of cleaning jobs or shifts per week. Regular shifts can be set to automatically repeat weekly, monthly, or any other pattern you need. Using the filter function, a manager can quickly see all shifts for just a particular cleaner. Or a particular client. Visually, it's easy to identify gaps where you can allocate additional work for each employee. Cleaners or employees can see their upcoming shifts on their WorkRoster homepage and in the WorkRoster mobile app, so they always know where to be and what to do. A larger cleaning company might have larger clients with daily cleaning needs. Separate rosters can be created for each client or job. For a big job, a whole team of cleaners can be assigned to the specific shift. Using the Resources feature, specialist equipment and vehicles can also be assigned to shifts. Setting up new employees is easy, and you can upload their photo or take a photo using the WorkRoster app. Hopefully you can see how easy and useful WorkRoster Roster Software is for managing shifts in a cleaning business. If you have questions, feel free to contact us via support@workroster.com. Thanks for watching.